Model, 63-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 2.0 CDTI long wheelbase, no VAT, needs turbo, no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 118688. Engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, straightforward simple turbo replacement job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.